Guys, excited to be here. We're just in a development right now in Sakumono, and the development has been done exquisitely. 10 homes, which has been finished perfectly, in my opinion.
Yes, I agree. So it's my opinion too. Now, this place is actually sold out, but the good news is the developer's done something new and even better. So if you'd like to get your hands on something like this, let's go and have a look at the new place.
I like that. Let's head over there.
Hello guys, we are here and welcome to this gorgeous 5-stroke 6-bed property in Sakumono, Accra, Ghana. We're so excited to show you this wonderful property. Now we are in this grand hallway. Look at the real marbled floors. Amazing.
I love it.
Great.
I love it.
And if you look to the right, we have a downstairs WC. We have a study room across there, which leads you to the garage. And also you have your dining area, kitchen, and on the left, you have the downstairs guest room. But let's head over to the living area. What would you say about this space, Trev?
I love this living area. What you've got behind this huge TV is the lovely paneling. You've got real details up here of the POP, which has been done splendidly. And do you know what I also like, Linda?
What's that?
I love the electric blinds.
There are electric blinds here.
Brilliant blinds, lovely, very simple, good space. Let's head out.
All right, so let's go across this way. So as we mentioned, you do have the dining area.
Loving this family area.
And then
the kitchen.
The kitchen. This is my favorite part, actually.
Ooh, tell me a bit about this.
This is a good sized kitchen, first of all. Now these worktops, I just love the sparkle and the shine. They're actually quartz, isn't it?
Yeah,
real quartz. Real quartz worktop with a breakfast bar here.
Yeah.
And look at the finishing. You just can't beat this finishing here. Now, if you look at the appliances, you see you also have Bosch.
You got Bosch oven, Bosch microwave oven.
A secret here. You've got a large fridge,
which is great.
And
there's a wine chiller.
You have a wine chiller, and then you also have.
Do you want to do it?
Yes. Fridge freezer, which is fantastic. Especially when you have a family, you need all the space you can get.
Yeah.
So if we head out.
Let's head to the back.
Oh, but before we do, you do have storage here. Go through and have a look at that storage. Amazing storage there.
So let's head outdoors. Let's see what this place has to offer. And look at this lovely outdoor kitchen. Once again, quartz worktops. Range cooker, which is great for the family, for the barbecues, all the outdoor stuff that you want to do. If you want to make banku, tilapia, all the spicy stuff, this is the place to do it at. Nice taps here. Got great work surfaces and so forth. Extractor fan here as well, which is awesome.
Yeah, I love this space.
And I like this little hidden gem, the utilities area, which is great. You've got your washing machine and so forth over there as well. But most of all, you've also got just behind here, the staff quarters, which is great. And you've got a lovely swimming pool. Should I jump in?
No.
So,
I like the swimming pool.
Love this. I love the swimming pool.
Such a nice finish.
Very nice finish. You've got the bubbles and the waves over there. So let's just head over here. Have a look at this nice little place. It's got a shade here as well. So you're not always in the sun, but you could choose to be in the sun or out of the sun.
And look at that behind you, Trev. You haven't seen that?
Oh, I haven't seen that. Should I turn it on?
No.
Come on. Let's head in. So let's head upstairs. Let's have a look what's upstairs. But you know what? Again, this developer's done himself such great justice. Look at the attention to detail. Not only is it just going to be an empty space, but he's actually put a cabinet display there. And there's a wine in there for me.
And I love the feature lights. As I was saying, I love the feature lights. Let's go up the stairs. Just have a look at the quality finish here. You can see that these tiles are actually made from real marble.
Oh, I love them. I love them. I also love the attention to detail when it comes to the skirting. I love the height of the ceiling and these bespoke curtains. It's like it's made to measure, literally.
Well, it has to be with windows that high.
I couldn't agree more with you.
We are here in the third family area. What a wonderful space, especially when you have children, guests. You can have people downstairs, upstairs, and you don't have to feel so cramped and crowded. It's just amazing. I love this house. So if you look forward on the right and to my left, you have more bedrooms. So upstairs we actually have 4 bedrooms.
Yes, absolutely.
But what we're going to do is check out the
primary
main
bedroom.
Primary bedroom.
Great.
Wow, look at
this
this
space.
Ooh,
Just look at this. All bespoke, all materials made in Ghana by Ghanaians. So you can imagine all of this.
So much space, isn't it? So much storage, all the way floor to ceiling, actually. Have you claimed your space now?
I have. I'm going to use a sliding door side.
I'm going to have the shoe racks.
All here.
Lovely. So this is the primary bedroom. You can get so much light here because there's so many windows.
Yes.
And of course, all the bedrooms are en suite. But this one has something special. Come and have a look.
I love the frosted glass entering it into the master ensuite or the primary ensuite.
You have his and hers. You have a lovely jacuzzi bath here.
Yeah.
Which is something that I love to have a bath and just relaxing. You have a shower.
Oh,
but
I love the shower head here.
It's a huge
just love it. Look at this
shower
head.
Now, you actually have 2, not 1, but actually 2 toilets. So there's no arguing in the mornings. Let's head out. So if we follow me, now, as I mentioned before, we're coming through this family space.
Yes.
And then you have your bedrooms, 1, 2, and 3 more bedrooms here. And if we come through this bedroom, all of them are good sizes, very nice sizes, and they all have built-in wardrobes, don't they?
They all have built-in wardrobes, nice height ceilings, you've got AC in every bedroom, all en suite, then you have covered all bases, and you've got marble floors throughout.
Really nice patterns. Now if we go through here, again, as we mentioned, all the bedrooms come with the ensuite washrooms. Yeah, you like it?
I love it. With AC and fan.
Yes, because
Now,
sometimes
this
you
is
don't need the AC.
Possibly one of my favourites. What I love about this place is this beautiful terrace.
Yes.
Really nice, you get the sun right on top of you. You can have a glass of wine, really chill out, have great meals, al fresco dining. That's all I'm going to say to you on that point. What do you say, Lynn, about this
I
terrace?
think I need to add also, as well as being so grand and beautiful, getting all the great views, it also has 2 access points. So you don't actually have to go through the bedroom. So you can invite guests up here and have a little drink and just relax and enjoy the sun.
What more can I add to that? On that note, let's head back down.
Let's go downstairs. Now we must mention that this property has some smart home features. You can actually control the lights and AC from a panel on the wall and also from your mobile phone.
And do you know what I love about this place? The size of it is so great. This specific home, being a 5-bed plus staff quarters, you're looking realistically at 530 square meters of space,
that is
which
a
is
lot of
phenomenal.
space.
And it's actually on 1 plot of land as well. So
Fantastic.
what more can you ask for?
Not much more. And also, if you didn't want a 5-bedroom plus 1, you can also go for a 4-bedroom. But we must say, you've got to be quick because 50% of the properties are sold out.
Yes, and that is waiting on you to, in fact, get back in touch with us. Let us know what your thoughts are. But before we do that, is there anything else you want to add and let our audience know?
Here are some images of the completed development. Now, there are tarred roads, underground drainage, and also underground wiring system. You can see that there's lovely greenery. The properties are nicely spaced, and also there's a designated children's play area and communal swimming pool. As we mentioned, there is a commercial premises where there's a variety of functions taking place. So the amenities that are available here are going to be fantastic. So you're going to have a doctor's, a pharmacy, gym, a restaurant for dining in and taking away as well. What else was there?
There's going to be a communal swimming pool. So
yes.
if you haven't got a swimming pool in your house, like this one does have a swimming pool, you can actually use the communal swimming pool as well.
And a gym.
Yes.
That's fantastic. So if you like what you see,
yes,
give us a call. The price and the details will be in the description box below.
Indeed.
Now, as we always say, you never want to miss what Trevlyn Garden has to offer, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you never miss what we have to show you next.
Until next time, we'll see you soon.
See you.